Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about garden roses. Garden roses are predominantly hybrid roses that are grown as ornamental plants in private or public gardens. They are one of the most popular and widely cultivated groups of flowering plants, especially in temperate climates. An enormous number of garden cultivars have been produced, especially over the last 2 centuries, so roses have been known in the garden for millennia beforehand, while most garden roses are grown for their flowers, often in dedicated rose gardens. Some are also valued for other reasons, such as having ornamental fruit, providing ground cover, or for hedging. The cultivars are classified into a number of different and overlapping ways, generally without much reference to strict botanical principles. Talking or our size and shape, the most common type is the bush rose, a rounded plant from 2 foot up to about 7 foot tall, above which height roses generally fall into the climbing and rambling class. The latter separate wider support is needed for these. These are also miniature roses, generally small bushes, and have sprawling ground cover roses both up to about 15 inches tall, and most modern roses are propagated by budding onto rootstock much closer to wild species. In standard shape, there is a single bar stem with a graft at the top of that. Shrub roses are a rather loose category that includes some of the original species and cultivars closely related to them. Plus cultivars that grow rather larger than most bush roses. Technically, all roses are shrubs. In terms of ancestry, roses are often divided into three main groups: wild, old garden, and modern garden roses, with many subdivisions of these. Gardeners most value roses for their large and brightly colored flowers, which exist in every color in the white to yellow to red part of the color spectrum. A truly blue rose has yet to be bred, but there are a number of shades of purple. There are single or double flowered varieties, within the latter much more popular. The petals are typically of single color, although bicolor stripped and blended varieties exist. The classic hybrid T-rose flower shape pointing up, tightly curled in the center, while the outer petals spreading wide, is the most popular for gardens and even more dominant in florists. But there are many alternatives.